coffee break with me. Woo! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? I am so excited because, okay, rewind. I just filmed a video. I was in such a crappy mood. That I didn't even put on lipstick. My hair is looking a little messy. But filming always puts me in a good mood. So when I started, I was in a crappy mood and I was like, oh, well, I need to film my Mrs. video, which if it's up, I'll link it down below. I need to film my Mrs. What better way to film a Mrs. than with a crappy attitude, right? And then I stopped filming and I was like, well, I'm kind of in a good mood. Let me go through some P.O. Box mail. And the minute I opened this box, I was like, oh. So, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I recently did an Instagram story post where I was like, man, I kind of miss doing my unboxings. Like, I miss that beauty subscription bug that would attack me every month. I swear, you guys, I was subscribed to everything in their mama. I had chocolate subscriptions, food subscriptions, Ipsy, Wantable, all the subscriptions. I had them all. Right now, I just have Allure and FabFitFun. But I got this at my P.O. Box and I was like, oh, that's the perfect fit. So I didn't know that I was getting this. I didn't know this existed. But when I opened it, I was like, oh, there's a gift inside. So I thought I would share what Beauteque sent me. And then also unbox 2 of their boxes. This video is not sponsored. I didn't know I was gonna get this PR, but because I miss doing unboxings, I thought, do you guys remember when unboxings were actual unboxings and not just PR unboxings? Even though this is a PR unboxing, you know what I mean. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna get into this massive box. I didn't open the actual subscription services that they offer. I don't actually know anything about them, so I should probably have my phone close by so I can tell you guys a little bit better. Whatever. Okay, so Beauteque sent me these little cards in here, and I'm guessing this explains what the service is, but before we open the stuff, look what they sent me. Aww. Isn't that sweet? And it matches my house. Oh, I'm gonna hang this above the dog's room. Yes, my dogs have their own room. You know what? When you have 4 dogs, you guys, they deserve their own room. They deserve their own place where you can close the door. They also sent this. How cute is this? Get ready for it. Pretty sure my dogs are on here somewhere. Isn't that cute? Mornings are rough. This is gonna be taking a trip in the dishwasher so that I could use it this weekend when I vlog. But they're all little dogs on here and they're all chubby. We need to talk about how much I love chubby things. So thank you, Beauteque, for this super, super, super thoughtful gift. I hope I'm saying that right too. Beauteque Monthly. Yeah. Okay, so it says, about Beauteque brand. Alina struggled with hormonal acne as a teenager and was introduced to K-beauty by her friends from Korea. After curing her breakouts with the now famous Korean skincare routine, she was convinced by the effectiveness of these products and wanted to make them more accessible for those in the US. So she founded Beauteque when she was just 16 years old. Holy moly, that's awesome. So they have 2 subscription services. It's a Simplify Your Skincare. We take the guesswork out of finding your favorite K-beauty products. Every month, we send you seasonal skincare paired with a fun, interactive theme to help your skin glow all year round. So you select a subscription, you pick a plan, and then you enjoy it every month. They have the Beauty Box, which is skincare and makeup, all full size, and then the Mask Maven, which is just masks, and you get 9. Oh, holy mackerel. I think that's going to be the one that's like right up my alley. So there's a little promo code for you guys. Again, not sponsored. This isn't an affiliate code. I'm not making money, although Beauteque, send a girl a check. So it's Dani25 and you'll get 25% off your first month. How cool is that? All right, Dani25. Let's jump right in. I'm guessing this is the mask one. So the mask one comes with just sheet masks and there are 9. So this month is focused on deep detox. Oh my God, you guys, how long have I not been to my P.O. Box that I'm unboxing June? The June Beauteque Mask Maven. Don't judge me. All right, so June is focusing on relaxing and resetting and deep detoxing the skin. So it comes with a little pamphlet which explains what each of the masks are for, what they do, how it helps, etc., etc. So we have a pomegranate mask for elasticity. Okay. We have a solution cream mask. What is this one for? Replenish your skin after a detox with this nourishing mask. Oh, okay. Let me rewind. I always do this. Like, I get so excited, I get ahead of myself. So it's like a little menu, right? So the first row are the essential elements. So 2 products contain charcoal. The other one is volcanic ash. I wonder if that's kind of like charcoal. And then these are the detox masks. And then down here are the relaxing and replenishing masks. So essentially, you could probably go in order, one from each row, and do like a mask routine. So these are the charcoal masks. Do you guys remember almost a year ago, I told you, actually it was probably about a year ago, I said, I haven't found any sheet masks that I like that are charcoal sheet masks. All of the masks that I need, anytime I want to do a charcoal treatment, I have to go in with an actual smear on mask, right? And sometimes a girl doesn't have time. Now they're so readily available in these subscription services, at the beauty stores like Ulta and Sephora, like they just have them. So I'm really happy that it's so easy to find charcoal sheet masks now, because not everyone has time to put on a full-on mask, rinse it off, let it dry, do the whole routine. So this kind of breaks it down very easy. Then we have the deep detox ones, which are, I'm sorry for my skin, black mud mask tightening. Ooh, you could leave it on for 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Wow, if that's not a pampering treatment. I'm kind of excited too that this one comes with 2 of the same brand. So if you like it, you can try the volcanic or the charcoal. You could tell that the deep detoxification theme goes throughout the month, which is pretty cool. So after you do your deep detoxification or purification of the skin, you can go in with a very nourishing and hydrating mask. Now, if you were paying really close attention, you have 9 masks, which means you have enough beauty treatments for 3 weeks, and then you can take a week off, or if like your weeks don't line up. So it's kind of really cool that it sets it up for you so that you could do like your essential elements, the deep detox, and then the nourishing and hydration. So it's giving you 3 weeks of treatments. Okay, now we're gonna move on to the beauty box. This is the one that has 6 full-sized skincare and makeup products. So 6 full-size. Is this June as well? Yeah, so it's the same theme, deep detox. The pamphlet comes with a breakdown of the products that are in here, what they're for, how to use them, and their suggested retail price. So the little spa menu is the same as the one we saw before. It's going to break it down into fresh and clean, purify and treat, and glow and go. So from looking at this, it looks like there's just 1 makeup product and 5 skincare products. Now, I do have to say that I've used a ton of K-beauty products, and I've never found one that I don't like. I usually really like them. The problem in lies is that they're very hard to get again. So it's kind of like bittersweet, because you try a product that you really like and then you're like, well, how do I find it again? It's a little tricky. So with this, I think the boxes are coordinated to the time of year, the seasonal products, and so it's kind of making it easy for you to try new beauty products delivered straight to your door. So let's see. The first thing I see is a cognac sponge. I used to swear by these sponges, swear by them. I don't want to open it because I think my dad's gonna want this. Yes, my dad uses cognac sponges. So it's basically a sponge that's made from the cognac root, and it's on a string. I used it for my face for almost 2 years when I started my YouTube channel, and it got rid of all the little bumps on the surface of my skin that are really, just makes it look like your skin is dirty. So it's a really great 100% all natural product. You just have to make sure you take care of it really well. Don't leave it wet too long and stuff like that, but it's a great tool for cleansing. The next product in here is a carbonated bubble mask. Have you guys ever used this? It's kind of really fun. So it's actually it's a carbonated mud mask in a container. You unscrew it, you apply it, and then your face gets all like covered in bubbles. It's really fun to use, but your face actually does feel and look very clean after using it. The claims of this particular mask are that it's a deep clean dirt and sebum or excess oil. It removes that from the surface of your skin. 2-star ingredients in this product are kaolin clay and charcoal powder, which are two of my favorites in all charcoal mud masks. Like the Purity Made Simple, Purity Made Simple, the Philosophy Purity Made Simple mud mask. I don't remember the poreless, whatever. The mask that I'm supposed to be a super fan of, that I can't think of the name, has kaolin clay, and it's one of the best ingredients for detoxification of the pores. The next product in here are some nose strips. Poor little box, got a little mangled. These are never that satisfying for me. I don't know why, if I'm not doing them right, but when I pull it off my nose, like there's hardly anything on there. And the thing is dried out, like it gets really stiff. Cochinas. Like, yeah, it gets really stiff. It just doesn't pull anything out. So I'm like, oh, maybe I'm not doing it right. Maybe I didn't wet it enough. Conversation is making me very uncomfortable. But anyway, you do get 6 charcoal pore strips in here, which I know a lot of you guys like you're huge fans of these. I am a little confused though, because this product is not on here. So it might be like a substitute product. It says we should have gotten a 3-step surface moisture mask pack. Like a sheet mask with a moisturizer in it, but we actually got the charcoal facial cleansing wipes, 15 wipes to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Kind of excited I got this instead, because makeup wipes are always super, super useful. Sheet masks, I have a whole warehouse of them. So yeah, did you guys know there were charcoal facial cleansing wipes? Do you think they smell good? Let's see. I wonder if they're black. Oh, they're not. Ooh, it does smell good. It smells like, they smell good. I don't want to describe them because I'm awful at that. We also have an eyebrow pencil. This is the Vachi Auto Eyebrow Pencil in a grayish brown. That's the name of the color. That's the spoolie. Let's see what grayish brown looks like. Hey, that is grayish brown. I think what they're trying to say is taupe. You see that? That's a really pretty color. I would totally use that. All right, good choice. And the last product in here is the Farm Stay Charcoal Pure Cleansing Foam for all skin types. So this is for removing dead skin cells when moisturizing the skin. Take a sufficient amount on hand, make enough foam, then apply to the face. So it's basically a cleanser, right? It's a charcoal cleanser. Ooh, there's a lot of product in here. Wow, look at how big that is. That's what she said. Oh my God, Beauteque, I swear I'm a good person. Well, that's exciting. You know what I can appreciate? When a brand really takes the time to design a theme for the month. Because they really thought about it. Everything is somehow laced with the detoxifying or purifying theme. There's charcoal or volcanic ash or some sort of clay in all of these products. So they actually committed to the theme of June, even though it's probably October when you're seeing this video. Anyway, you guys, I will leave more information on Beauteque's 2 subscription services, the mask Maven, I believe it's called, and the beauty box. I will leave a link in the description box below with more information. Again, the code Dani25 gets you 25% off your first month. Non-affiliate, non-sponsored, not getting paid for this post, but I am excited to try all these products, so I'll have to update you guys maybe in the future or in my monthly favorites. If you guys have tried Beauteque before, let us know what some of your favorite products have been or how long you've been subscribed, because I want to get this conversation started. Anyway, y'all know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys!